Let her on.
She was getting served alcohol on the train. Such a long
Look
swan.
at him.
There he is. Oh, hello.
What have you got? Got a bug?
He's got something in his mouth. Kookaburra.
He's got a bug in his mouth, doesn't he? Hey, buddy.
Hello, I'm not going to hurt you.
No. Enjoy that.
We're going to. That's my bug. Stick your head. Is this the stuff that smells like steak? It smelled like weed, wouldn't it? No, there was a plant that we found along the way here last time, and you squeezed it and it smelled like steak. Like a steak.
What, like steak and chips?
Cooked steak. There's one of these along here. Yeah, steak and chips.
Can murder a steak.